Okay guys, so we're here today, Meallmore. We're working with Unilever Food Solutions. They're about to launch a new sweetened pudding product. I know we've got lots of ideas. We'll plate it up by the end of the day. We'll try it, see how it is. Then we're going to take those ideas and we're going to deliver a tasting session to our residents in Antonine House, and we'll get their feedback.
I can use it for anything. The possibilities are endless. It's just about having the imagination and the creativity to know how to use it.
Today we're going to make some mango cheesecake. When someone living with dementia, they maybe lose their taste buds, might not be as good. So something like a mango cheesecake, especially with lime through it and the ginger through it, that really pick up their taste buds.
I'm just cutting this sponge up for the wee individual ones we're going to be doing here. We're just going to layer them up, going to try all the different flavours, just each one something different, see how it goes.
The balance of it is exceptional. In the home, we really have to hide calories. People obviously lose weight in homes regularly, so we've got to increase the calorie in a meal, disguise that in the form of this, taking a calorie intake unknowingly, which is the way forward for the care home.
So the brief is that we're focusing on older people nutrition, so tell me what elements here and why you've done it.
Got the creme brulee mix in the pan and I'm infusing it with some leeks and fennel, a little bit of thyme. I thought it would be quite neat to try and make a savoury dish out of a dessert product.
There's a lot of elements there that's really going to hit the taste buds and make them pop, open them up. Well done.
Because their eyesight's slightly diminished, their taste buds are slightly diminished, so you need to have real pops of colour on a plate, real height and contours. The flavour needs to be over and above what you would maybe normally do.
So guys, well done, fantastic day. You all looked as though you had fun. I know I did. Fantastic products. You have did some wonderful things with them. Thank you.